What's the difference among confident, 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 and confidant? Well, let's see. Confident is an adjective which means feeling or showing assurance, faith, or certainty. Examples: she is confident in her abilities. He spoke confidently to the audience. What about confident? Well, it's a noun which refers to a person with whom one shares secrets or intimate thoughts. Examples: she is my confidant. I share all my secrets with her. He served as a confidant to the CEO. Now what about confidant? Well, it's also a noun which is generally used for a female confidant. Examples: she is my confidant and trusted advisor. You are her closest friend and confidant. Now, key differences among these three. Confident is an adjective which describes a person's attitude or state. Confident is a noun which refers to a person with whom one shares secrets and is more frequently used to describe a male, but it may be applied to either gender. Confidant is also a noun and is generally used for a female confidant.